Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Mode Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ulatho eMakhene is unstoppable ke sana ngemva kokuthi a-trend lamavili aphelile ngemva kokuthi ex yakhe uLebuseko akhulume ngaye ku-podcast Engineer You Life where a-reveal i-dirty laundry yakhe athi uyifake athi umthwelanga lutho athi uLathoya bekazitsakwa ngashayeli nemathwasana yakhe kukhuluma nje into etiningi letibi ngaLathoya Makhene ke sana but ugela she's unstoppable njengoba ukhipha ingoma namhla I think 20 September 2024 ingoma ayakhona asihloko sayo isingle ibitwa ngokuthi abantu uthi lapho kuleyo ngoma leyo uyokhuluma into letiningi guys ngaye akhuluma into letiningi futhi letishiwo ngaye ex yakhe ke sana ugela uthi ucala impilo lenshasha and uthi angeke aze avumele umuntu kokuthi amende kokuthi aphile kabuhlungu ngenxa yokuthi yena uhamba wakhuluma ngaye uthi yena njena akade ngeni leto so namuhla sonke silinze kuvale ingoma yakhe le ebitwa ngokuthi abantu where ugele is gonna keep her it gaxa and clap back at uLebu for what she said about her public ke sana and balabaningi they are loving that for ugele because if bekungomunye bekatoba ne-depression ave buhlungu ukuthi kukhulunywa ngaye akukhishwa tigaxa ngaye but people were saying ukuthi we stand with uLathoya Makhene and whatever that is happening between the two abangeni bona uLebu needs help because bayambona ukuthi ugele akekho right psychologically nje uyalidzinga lisito ngeke uze ukhulume nge-ex yakho kangaka ebantwini. Clearly the problem is with uLebu. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.